Hi guys, this is Sandeep and this is your Excel News for the week. This Friday we've got 180 up, so if you want to come and join in with the young people, then come along where we'll have guest speaker Christian Bilecki joining them.
On Sunday the 9th of February, we'll be having our next baptismal service. So if you're a follower of Jesus and you haven't yet taken this important step, then why not sign up today? You can speak to one of our church leaders or pick up a leaflet from the foyer for more information about baptism.
Like a river of life in a dry land, like a flicker of sight to a blind.
Gentlemen, this one is just for you. We've got a Courageous Men event for you on the 1st of February, that's a Saturday, and it's starting at 7 p.m. If you'd like to come along for food, for fun, for games, and just hanging out with other men, then you can come along. The tickets are £7, 7 till 9 on the 1st of Feb. Men, come along, be encouraged and have fun together.
Living hope, you're the risen Christ. You restored my soul. Oh, you brought me back.
Here at Excel Church, we want to give opportunities for you to take part in mission trips. So we've got one coming up for you in June. If you are interested in missions and you'd like to come along with us from the 18th of June for a 6-day missions trip to northern Spain, to Asturias, then please pick up an application pack from the welcome desk. But be aware that you need to get that application form and your deposit back by the end of January. So that's our missions trip to northern Spain. Pick up a pack if you're interested.
You gave me grace and mercy. I give you control.
Excel Unite is going to be happening in the next few months, and this is where all of church comes together for one service. So join us on Sunday the 22nd of March, which is also Mother's Day, and you can join us for a great service at 11 a.m. at RSA Academy in Tipton. See you there.
Oh, you brought me back to life.
Have you ever wanted to throw an axe at someone, and are you aged 16 to 35? Then we've got something just for you, because our live event is going to be axe throwing on the 15th of February. That's for anyone aged 16 to 35, and you can come along to that, get some practice in at chucking them axes. If you want to come along, then you need to get your deposit in of £5.50 by the 2nd of February. You can speak to Will for more information about the axe throwing. Our next big outreach event is going to be with Mark Ritchie, who is coming to do his comedy show Bob's Not My Uncle, and that is going to be on Saturday the 14th of March at 7 p.m. Now we're getting you to invite all your friends and family along. Tickets are going to be just £5, and it's aimed at everyone who is at high school and above, really. So we want you to come along, support this, get your friends and family here to hear the gospel through the comedy of Mark Ritchie.
Source of life, beating in my heart. You're the living hope. You're the risen Christ. You restored my soul. Oh, you brought me back to life.
That's all from Excel News, but remember, this Wednesday is the Leadership Development Night here at 7:30 here at Excel Church. So if you want to come a bit early for refreshments, feel free to do that, and we'll be joined by John Jarvis from Gloucester. So if you want to know any more information about what's going on at Excel Church, head to our website or get us on social media at Excel Church UK.